me see this angle. This is take 2 of this update video. I actually recorded earlier this week, but I was editing it last night and the clips were just shit. Like, I'll be honest with you, they were not it. Like, the audio was bad. I recorded in the nighttime, so you can only imagine how bad the wind noise, or not even, you can just imagine the whole quality was shit. I just was not feeling it, so I'm like, you know what, I'll re-record it, and at least I won't have to like drive with my light on. So what's good, everyone? Yeah, this is just a little update video on my life, what's going on with the speed, myself, and future plans. Yeah, let's just say a lot has been changing. First things first, let's just start off with the speed, because I know that's what you guys are probably curious about. Speed's running good. I'm currently at 218,000 kilometers. Ever since I fixed the clutch like 2 months ago, it's been good, man. No problems, knock on wood. Literally been driving amazing, hasn't been making any weird noises. Yeah, do I have any future plans for the car? I definitely want to get a new steering wheel. I'm sick of this old steering wheel. The wrap is okay. The way I look at it is you get what you pay for, but you know, it could be better. I really want, if you guys saw one of my stories about 2 weeks, maybe like a week or two ago, I posted this carbon fiber steering wheel. It's from Zen Carbon Fiber. Guys, it's fucking sick. So I'm gonna get the perforated leather, I'm gonna get the carbon obviously, and then there's like this $300 something option, I can't remember, it could be more, shift lights. So you already know I'm gonna get that, because if I'm already spending a lot of money on the steering wheel, I may as well make it baller and badass, make it one of one, where I have shift lights right here. So that'll be sick. They sell this airbag cover that's fully leather and it has like red stitching, and you can spend an extra $20 for a carbon fiber mash emblem. So obviously I'm gonna do that. It's like a no-brainer, right? So I'm gonna ball on that. It's gonna be a lot of money. I do think, I don't know, maybe just because it's getting colder, condensation and shit. It's been smoking a little, but it's cold now. But it pulls hard, so I think the turbo is still running pretty good right now, but it definitely won't last forever. I'm hoping it can at least make it through winter, and then I can upgrade the turbo when it gets warmer again. But as of right now, guys, the car's running really fucking good, I'll be honest with you. It burns a little bit of oil, burns, oh yeah, hear that backfire. It burns maybe like 200 a week. That's after like 500 kilometers of driving, 200 milliliters or whatever it's called. So it's not that bad, but yeah, she's getting older, so it is what it is. You just gotta pay a little more attention to it. It's all part about owning a speed. I don't really have any other plans for the speed. I'm just really driving. If something breaks, I'll fix it. But like modification wise, just the steering wheel. But the turbo, I don't even consider like it is a mod, but in a sense it's not, because when mine goes bad, obviously I'll have to replace it, so I may as well just get a better one. You know, like, I don't know. That's just my logic. One thing that I'm really working on right now is a podcast. So I just bought 2 mics a couple days ago. I bought these Razer mics. They look pretty good. The hardest thing that I'm working on right now is the audio. Once I figure out the audio, it'll be smooth sailing from there. I already know where I'm going to record it. I'm going to record in my garage, and I'm going to have the speed in the background, because I think that's just going to be a really sick vibe. Like having the speed in the background, having like some custom lights on. I think it's going to be sick. Just sets the whole vibe. I'll invest in some lighting. I already know like the angles I'm going to use. I'm going to use this tripod to get all the angles. That'll be pretty easy. My one concern with recording in the garage is going to be when it gets cold. I'm hoping I can find some sort of heater that works relatively well. Hopefully I can find something like that, because that's my only main concern. But I do want to record in the garage just because I feel like it just sets the vibe so well. Yeah, I've been really putting cars in the back burner, I'll be honest with you. Like, I really and truly am not passionate about cars as much as I used to. I've really been on like the whole self-improvement grind. I've really been focusing on myself. This past year has been fucking hectic, bro, I'll be honest with you. I've been improving everything in my life that I've wanted to, whether that be career-wise, financially, physically, mentally, just everything that I've been holding off on, I've just decided to start working hard on. It's been really paying off, and I feel so much better as a person. I don't even feel like the same person a year ago. Maybe you guys can even notice the way I'm speaking, that I'm just not the same. Like, I just have different priorities in life. I will still forever, like, guys, don't get it twisted, man. I will still forever have the speed. or at least have some sort of cool car. It's not like I'm just ditching the car scene, but you know, it's not like the same as it used to be where I'd dump money in my car every week and I'd have infinite videos to make on my car, because let's be real here, there's only so many Speed 3 videos that I can make, and I'm really getting to that point now. One thing that I'm also trying to get to is I'm not trying to be known for my car anymore. I think it's cool when someone comes up to me and they say, hey man, I watch your videos, I like your car. Or they ask me something about my car, something car related. I think it's cool, but I think it'd be even cooler if someone were to be able to watch my video. These people are just looking at me. People are just looking at me. This is kind of awkward. These people are just tripping me out, bro. These fucking people. I think it'd be cooler if someone were to watch my videos and they say, hey man, like I watch your videos and it helped me improve my life in X, Y, and Z way. I think that's a lot cooler. The problem is too, is I kind of put myself into this corner where I can only rely on my car for video content, where I want to be able to record content if something went wrong with my car, and I want to be able to rely on myself, not a car, to make videos, if that makes any sense. Because yeah, I'll be honest with you guys, it is getting harder. I was trying to think of a video to record with my car, but I could not think of anything. It's just really getting to that point, if I'm being real with you guys. But yeah, man, my life has been hectic, bro. It's been, I posted a picture a couple days ago. I said the best things that happen to me are the worst things that happen to me. And I want you guys to understand what I'm trying to say behind that. I'm trying to say that the worst things that happen to your life, the things that just don't go your way, that you don't want to happen, that, you know, put you through shit, is honestly the best things, because that's really what makes or breaks you as a person to become the, you know, a better version of yourself. This is kind of like a sneak peek of the things I'm going to be talking about in my podcast. I think I'll talk about cars here and there, but I'm really going to focus on just aspects of life that I've learned and that I want to share through. I really feel like I have this voice, and I really want to grow my following, not just like car related people, but like, you know, just people in general, where they're not just watching me because of car. Yeah guys, I'm just trying to expand, and I'm just really passionate about the whole self-improvement thing now, I'll be honest with you. So I'm just trying to give it a shot, man. Like, fuck, for all we know, it could be a flop, it could be shit, just stick with car content, but at least I could say I tried. I'm pulling up to a Honda dealership right now. Guys, have you seen the new CRVs? I can't lie, bro. Honda's been doing some good shit lately, man. Honda's been really listening to the people. I saw the new Type R. That looks sick. There's new CRVs, guys. If you haven't looked at the new CRVs, like the 20, bro, I've seen it right there. If you haven't looked at the new like 2022 or 23, I'm not sure what year the new one is, but look it up on Google, bro. They're actually fucking nice. I remember when I first saw it, I'm like, yo, what car is that? It's fucking hot, bro. It's like literally November, and it's like super hot. So I usually go to Wendy's before my workout. I have like a little pre-workout meal. It's a JBC and some fries. I'm an idiot, bro. I took the long way to get to the drive-thru. I just questioned my choices in life, guys. It's all far right here. No one here. Perfect.
Welcome to Venice. Do you want to try the food that will be single in a combo today?
No. Hi, can I get a JBC, no tomato, no sauce?
Okay, no mayo, no tomato.
Yeah, can I get a small fry as well?
Okay.
And a cup of water with ice?
Okay.
That's it.
And you said no salt, right?
Sorry?
You said no salt, right?
No, I didn't say that. No. Put salt.
No problem. Thank you, please.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is a much better idea than recording in the daytime. I figured, you know what? On my way to the gym, because it usually takes around like 10-15 minutes to get everything done. Oh, fuck. Shit. I realized my phone is recording, so I have to use my cards. Okay. Well, I close that window. It's just making it look weird. Yeah, that's better. Oh, okay. Guys, the amount of money I spend on fast food is fucking retarded. It's not the best, I will say. Oh my god. See, this is why sometimes I prefer eating inside, because it's a lot less messy if you eat it there rather than in your car, but I don't really feel like sitting down in there. Yeah, I don't know where I'm going to post the podcast videos, maybe on my main channel, but how I'm trying to grow it is I'm trying to clip things and put it on TikTok, because I've seen a lot of guys do that, make podcasts, so that's looking like what's going to happen. Just join me for the ride. I know some people may not like what I'm trying to do right now, but that's all right. You know, I may lose some followers, but I'm hoping in doing that I can gain more followers. Just got some energy drinks for the rest of this week, because I have my first double day tomorrow. Wednesdays I work 16 plus hours. I'm always looking fucked because some guys are calling in sick tomorrow, so I'm probably going to be working maybe like 9 hours at my full time and then 8 hours at my part time. So it's looking like a 17-hour day, I guess. So your boy's going to need a monster. Now I'm pulling into the gym now. Holy fuck, bro. Turn left already. Jesus Murphy. Talk to you next one. Stay consistent. Peace.